Hello, everybody. I'm going to spend some time in this, trying to see if I can, uh, like exercise this little piece of code. Um, this is Mistral AI. Um, this is Python everywhere. Python anywhere. Python anywhere. And they offered free layer, no credit card required, which is great for financially broke people that wants to prototype perhaps a $1 million idea. It's not my case. I don't have a $1 million idea, and uh, you know it's great. So I'm going to click. Uh, Last year I was digging into Django. I mean, there are many times throughout my career I have come and go to Django, and the last year was another time in which I came and left Django. And look at me, another year, another Django. Uh, so I am here. I have installed Django locally. You just need to follow the instructions in the documentation. I don't have a Django application, not even a hello world. So let's click on open web tab. You don't have any web app. Uh, since I don't have an existing code base, I'm going to try to create a new one, add a new web app. Your web app's domain name, Caleb Josue, Python Anywhere. For me, it's okay. This is great. I don't have a domain name. I used to have. Want to change that right now, which is cool. Next for us. And these are like frameworks. Flask is very light, and make a hello world many years ago, several years ago. Let's choose Django 3.10, because the last version is 5.1. Oh, manual configuration. Whenever I'm reading documentation, I will speed the video. So you will see, some editions in the video. Well, I don't have the need to use the last version of Django. So let's choose this. And I will write testing. Okay, that was easy. This is the official documentation. I'm seeing this over here. Yeah, pulls up. Which is over here. So this is great. This is great. Great. Well, we have our code over here. New console, Python, more. And this is our project. But I want to work in the web browser. Which reminds me that I have an Oracle Cloud Infrastructure account. Slash. So I click this, and apparently it's working. I'm not sure if it's working. Let's console. Oh, see what's in here. Readme texting. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Help see if I know that. Don't why helping now. Okay. Now testing. This is our web app, which is great. Manage Py. Let's see what's in Manage Py. Great. Code syntax highlighting. Okay, I know my way in Python, but I haven't touched Django. I mean, I always coming and going from Django and most of the web frameworks, but let's see. Static. I'm going to take a look at the directories. We will need to change the URLs, create files, and set, well, I like the sound they have implemented. Right. Settings. I'm doing this because it's 27 and my my trial account for Mistral ends tomorrow, maybe at midnight. So I didn't have time to test this this thing, but I don't want to this thing to expire without even trying. So I'm not sure what's going to happen. Okay, let's see. Let's take a look at URLs. It's inside testing URLs. Let's see what's going on here. Admin, yes. Where is it? Okay, I'm too slow. It's a long time. Mm. My recommendation is to stick with only one technology and explore technologies once you have one under your belt. Don't do what I did with, which I'm not regretting anything, but and at this point it's clear that I should have only engaged in one stack, and I think that the stack will be Elixir. But since Python is everywhere, I'm not sure now. But yeah, Elixir is cool. But Python is cool too. Okay, so now let's creating a project, the development server, creating the pulse app, write your first view. Okay, okay, we have on my side. I'm not using any database. Okay, this is our project. Let us see this. Five. Okay. As you know, I didn't. Since we are about to test Mistral, and then if you're seeing my videos, I tend to name things as popular or not so popular songs. And then remembering this one, Christopher Cross, Minstrel, Gigolo, Minstrel, Gigolo. So I'm going to call or up Minstrel instead of Mistral. So Minstrel Gigolo. This is a good one. So Python managed by startup Mistral. Well, this thing has auto-completion. Okay, now let's see. There is Minstrel. All right, we have our app. Let's check the things inside. Okay, it's there. We got admin, apps, migration, folders, views. Now we have views. I'm going to copy this code. Come on. So it's importing already, man. Let's see if we can. This is the link. I'm going to press P. Yeah, nothing in register, which is great. Oh yeah. Oh. So I need to write this thing. On Django shortcuts render. Yes. Okay. Let's write. I don't want to write, but yes. Django, we can copy paste from the upper. Let's delete this. Let's yank this paste. Now fix this. Django HTTP. I remember, yeah. HTTP import. Import. I'm not navigating with the JKLI. I'm navigating with the arrows. HTTP response. Def index. Now, this is the most basic view possible in Django. To access it in a browser, we need to map it into a URL. True. And for this, we need to define a URL configuration or URL const for short. These URL configurations are defined inside each Django app. And they are by the files and URLs. To define a URL const for the full. Pulse. It is view? Oh, this is index. This is the view, yeah. I have explored some Java frameworks, some PHP frameworks from back in the day 2011, like Symfony. And last year was early this year in January, and even last year was Laravel and, and Elixir, the Phoenix Web Framework, which is amazing, and also Rails. And now this Django from time to time. But I haven't specialized in any of them. But I think since I am a Java developer, I think it's time. The data back in s- Spring and Spring Boot usage is overwhelming. So I think I'm going to try to take a deep dive into Spring. But also I would like to continue to explore the Phoenix web framework. But I won't relegate Python because quite everywhere. It's ubiquitous. Stop talking more code. Okay, we have our view. Now, we need polls, URLs. I I don't have it. What's in here? Okay, we need to create it. Can we paste it? Oh yeah, Control V. Great, no more. I suppose in the future we will be just giving orders, and the typing will be automatically. Okay, from Django, path, pattern, views, import views from the current directory, and index. Now in here, got this. Oh, we are back in here. Include. I can copy paste it, but I want Mistral.urls. Yes. And this is the explanation. Now you have wired an index view into your conf verify. It's working with the following command. Now we need to run the server. In our case, will be Minstrel. Most likely, we'll need to, like reload this. But let's try first without without Minstrel. Page not found. You can change this, of course, you know. If you are ready here. So let's try at this button. Reload. We got an error. I was looking for that. Includes is not defined. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. But this is great because I was looking to make an error to see if this button detects the error. But there is no deployment error. Perhaps we can introduce a deployment error by not having, like some crucial file. So yeah, let's. Where is this thing? We didn't. We only write this. Okay, so we need to include. Now we're done. Let's reload or saying I like this. It's better. It's at this point we should be able to go live immediately. Now another error. The empty path didn't match any of these. This is good. Uh, I want to see. You can fix this. Saying that you only have these two. Uh, you, you know, Mistral admin, but you don't have the root. Only the slash. But I want to see Mistral. Okay. Hello world. We are at Python anywhere. So from now on, please note that we have to map the root URL. Um, we are only testing this part. If you are going to be live, if you're building some serious application, you need to take care of that. Okay, so we have our view, this thing. So far, so good. Now it's talking about road routes. All right, playing with API. Good. This is a good feature. Okay, while in the model view controller, while in the model view controller pattern, you will want to separate the business logic from your presentation layer. At this point, since this is a tutorial, they are doing some stuff over here. They are even interacting with the database in here in the presentation layer. But this is, like getting started, so it's okay. They are introducing concepts. Uh, so perhaps we can do the same uh, and introduce this minstrel in here in the right in the view and call it a day, call it a video. Yeah, the project templates. Where are the controllers? Yeah, they are joining the strings. So yeah, we will do that. And if you want to do things the right way, you can, like separate the stuff pro- uh, properly. So yeah, let's do that so I can see this thing working. And I don't know, this was just only an exploration for. I remember that it is Jinja. I don't know. It's a template from which. Just if you want, spend some time in this. And but at this point, we are just doing it on the view, just like them, and see the results. I'm going to, as you're seeing this video, is heavily edited, especially when I spent too much time reading the documentation. This quick start. Okay, so where are they? Do you know how to be, you are familiar with them? Yes, I am. Here they are. I'm going to delete it. Okay, uh, I don't know how to install this. But yeah, this is how you install. Well, this is being executed within Python. Okay. Okay, what I did is what I did is copy paste the installation instruction using pip, and oh, there is resolver does not currently take into account the packages that are installed as following dependency conflicts. Requires Pydantic, would you have Pydantic? Requires Pydantic request API. We have some conflicts. Okay, Mistral, we have this. We don't have this. Uh, You can resolve these conflicts. Okay, no, list. Okay, list. Here is fast API. Here it is. And the other one has. Okay, so they are the. Where is Mistral? Mistral, okay. Let's see. Okay, well, this one is okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Now let's try this. Mhm. Yeah. Okay, just in the best trenches can be class objectives in the best. Okay, we're able to copy paste code from the documentation. Where is it? Here it is. We were able to copy and paste code in our deploy it, already deployed. Because this, of course, this is not following the model view controller pattern, since we are not in being serious. In this website, in this, like it's like a very quick thing. Uh, but if you're getting some idea that you want to deliver using the Mistral API and being live immediately, this is a good option. Python Anywhere. I didn't install anything. I mean, I did install Django over here, but I didn't use my local machine. What's all in here. I suppose you can configure it in here to add some plugins. I don't know the how crazy you can get in this console they are providing. Perhaps I don't know, but this was great. You know what? You can let's change this thing. Should I learn Scala? No. Should I learn theoretical computer science? And someone will say, why in the world this guy is doing that? If you can go to this kind of tools, should I learn theoretical computer science? You know, learning computer. Oh my God, can be very beneficial. It provides a deep understanding for another elimination of computing. Okay, you didn't need to build anything. There are others. I was taking a look at Gemini, but I still yet to try this. I'm still there is a Gosia in which you can also ask the same question. You'll learn theoretical computer science. Can be highly beneficial. Okay, these are making requests to the same APIs, the same endpoints, I suppose, because they are giving you the same, almost the same answer. Let's try ours. Well, not ours. We just wired something. This is great. Okay, but okay. This is another question. Whether you should learn theoretical computer science depends on your interests, career goals, and the type of problems you enjoy solving. Here are some points to consider. Reasons to learn computer science. Yeah, consider. I am considering revisiting some topics on theoretical computer science, but I need some prerequisites first. And what else? What's the point of doing this? If you can, as we see, ask the same questions to these tools that are. Okay, I suppose Microsoft have one too over here. Copilot. Like here's one. You can, ask the question. Should I learn theoretical computer science? It was providing you a completion tab. All right. And you can say stop responding. Uh, oh, the fascinating realm of they want to humanize the answers. So you don't think that these are non-human? Well, these are human answers. They are synthesized. It's like, well, not human answers. They are like, yeah, synthesized over gazillions of human answers. Computer science and mathematics. Well, you get the idea. So why do you want to uh, perhaps integrate these APIs? Yes, that's the name. With your application? Well, because you have specific needs. And at this point, we are integrating it within Django and Django web app. And there are some other models. You don't have to constrain yourself with this. This is like the most getting started. But you have some other capabilities. So I suppose at this point, we can hope to provide how do you say, web form over here. But as I was telling you, um, there are lots of web frameworks, there are lots of programming languages, there are lots of tools, like zillions of tools. But how do we put that into practice? I mean, how can I shut up and deliver some product to you so I can make an income because I am in need of a job? So perhaps, I don't know, I don't think. Um, for a moment, yeah, let's continue with Django to see if we can quickly uh, put some framework, sorry, some web form. Yeah, not this question. All right, we have some answers. We have a form. I need to drink some water. Back. Mhm. Okay, follow the recommendations provided here, uh, the best practices, but we are just wandering around. But this is great. This is a good product. If you can afford it, please go for it. Uh, Yeah, I will try. Since we are in this, these guys have a lot of tools recommended over here. So take a look at deep learning AI also. So yeah, have a good day. Everything is here, all the documentation, but still, if you are really into this, consider investing some time in algorithms, in theoretical computer science, I mean, make use of all of these. You can achieve, reach the speed of light, I suppose, in delivering your product, but also engage in these topics. I will try to do it. And there are others, there are even, as I said in another video, some entry-level programming training, which are challenging for novice programmers. And also make sure you are having fun in the process. Thank you very much. You see, time and effort. Learning theoretical computer science requires a significant investment of time and effort. If you're interested, it might be worth a lot of mathematics, which I don't, I am not that advanced yet. Well, thank you very much and have a good one. Bye.